Bonjour, Madame Rochelle.
Hello, Sarah. I'm sorry to bother you. I've lost my dog.
Oh no.
Her name is Poupette. She was here earlier, and now she's gone. I am very worried.
Smell!
Don't worry. We can help you.
Really?
Yes, we'll look for him.
Thank you so much.
Why?
Because she needs help.
Sarah and Nacho, off we go.
Excuse me, have you seen this dog?
I'm not sure. Maybe earlier.
Excuse me, have you seen a small white dog?
Oh no, sorry.
Excuse me, did you see this dog today?
I saw a white dog,
Yes.
but I don't know if it was this one. It was near here.
Thank you. I hope we're not too late.
I saw a small white dog earlier.
Really?
Yes, near the butcher's shop.
Oh, sausages!
But there are 3 butcher's shops on this street.
Oh, 3?
Which one did he go to? Excuse me, have you seen this dog?
No, I'm sorry.
Thank you. Hello, did you see a small white dog today?
Yes, I did.
Really?
Yes, he was here earlier.
Is he still here?
No, he left.
3rd butcher shop. Let's hope we find her here. Wait. Did you hear that? Poupette, we found you.
Sausage thief!
Poupette. I was so worried. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Oh, we're happy he's safe.
And thank you too. Please, a small reward.
It was worth it!
Helping people feels good.
All cases?
Maybe. Subscribe for more English adventures with Sarah and Nacho.
See you soon!
Sarah and Nacho, feel the tune. Let across the world.